senior official, Randy Eller. Introducing first, the challenger. He is standing to my right, battling out of Japan, former NWA World's Heavyweight Champion and former NWA Triple Crown Champion. He is the Tokyo Monster Kahagas. And his opponent, standing to my left, battling out of the United Kingdom, weighing in at 94 kilos, he is the GWA Heavyweight Champion. He is the British Wolf.
Championship matchup. This card is so stacked. The heavyweight title is third from the end. Just shows you how big of an event this is for Gangrel's Wrestling Asylum here at the casino at Dania Beach. Bell sounds, we are underway. GWA heavyweight title on the line. British Wolf defending against the Tokyo Monster Kahagas. Senior official Randy Eller is assigned to this contest, and just like that, Kahagas, no sportsmanship shown here. Just beating down the Wolf right from the jump. Look at those vicious strikes by Kahagas. It's Randy Eller here. Might need to utilize his discretion as the British Wolf behind from the get-go. And Kahagas lighting him up with chops here. The Irish whip into the near side buckle. Kahagas hesitates, he charges in, and that allows Wolf to stick the boot up. Wolf is taken over, and a deep arm drag takedown right there by the British Wolf. And a clothesline coming back the other way, and a picture-perfect drop kick right to the kisser. Sends the challenger down. And the British Wolf now. The Irish whip is reversed by Kahagas. He puts his head down. Leapfrog by Wolf, and the step up enziguri. Down goes Kahagas again. Nice job by the champ to catch him. British Wolf here, building some steam. Keep your eyes on the heavyweight champion. He was going for the baseball slide, but Kahagas catches him, spins him around, and continues to deliver a beatdown. Oh no, what's he gonna do here? He can't do this. No, there's no padding or protection out there. He was going for that assisted DDT off the apron. And now Kahagas drops him face first. That's considered the hardest part of the ring, as British Wolf connects there with the ring apron. And Kahagas needs to bring him back inside if he wants to walk away with the title. Tokyo Monster. Over the last decade, has been a key cog in the National Wrestling Alliance. Here we go, Lotto Press. He's going to battle with some of the toughest names in the business. In addition to being aligned with the likes of Kevin Sullivan, the mind of the Tokyo Monster Kahagas is a lot deeper than many realize. Side headlock applied. This crowd trying to rally behind the champion, who's almost an underdog here. There's a scoop slam, and Wolf goes for a splash, but Kahagas puts the knees up. Could be the opening he was looking for. And Kahagas grabs a submission. Take advantage here over the British Wolf, now driving that boot right to the side of the head. much fanfare for Kahagas. And Wolf trying to fire back here. Might be sensing some desperation perhaps. But finds an opening right there. And now the British Wolf trying to rally. And Wolf backed up to his feet. He's in the corner now. British Wolf. That signature crawl across the ring. Connects with Kahagas. Goes right back to the well one more time. Nails him with a European uppercut. The snapmare roll through and kicks him right in the back. And British Wolf with that basement drop kick. And Wolf with the rolling splash. He's got him 1, 2, and a 2.5. As British Wolf on the cusp of retaining his championship, but Kahagas is able to hang on, showing the world why he has captured major championships all around the globe. Wolf sprawls into the corner again. Kahagas moves out of the way. And now Kahagas gonna lock him up and expose that midsection. And those signature Kahagas strikes just light him up like a lamp here as Kahagas. And he could be looking for that Tokyo Street Cutter perhaps, as he wants to capture the GWA Heavyweight Championship. Pulls Wolf right to the center of the ring. He's putting him in position now. Wolf trying to elbow out of it, sensing desperation. Wolf comes in. Oh! Crossbody moved out of the way by Kahagas. He's got Wolf up now. Fireman scary position. Wolf slithers down. The sunset flip roll through, and Wolf retains the title.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the match, and still GWA Heavyweight Champion, the British Wolf.
So a hard-fought back and forth affair. Oh, come on! And Kahagas jumps him from behind. The match is already over. Wolf retained the title. Get out of here! Referee Randy Eller trying to restrain him. He's going to head for higher ground before he possibly gets injured. And Kahagas now moves one of the security guards out of the way, and he's got a steel chair. As Kahagas looks to be a sore loser here, as he has some unfinished business. Oh no! And he connects right on the skull of the British Wolf with that steel chair. Possible fines or even suspensions could be levied here on the Tokyo Monster after this vicious attack against the British Wolf. And Kahagas has him here. Lifts him up and just drives him down with that modified Michinoku driver. Wait a minute. There's the Vampire Warrior. Gangrel has arrived on the scene. He was in the back preparing for his main event tag team match a little bit later when he teams with Billy Gunn to take on the Headbangers. But he must have been watching the monitor and was none too pleased with the actions here of Kahagas. As the only thing separating these two right now are the ring ropes. British Wolf. You have to imagine some potential injuries might have been suffered here at the hands of Kahagas, but British Wolf does indeed retain the GWA Heavyweight title. You see some of the other guys coming in here from the back. help out. Of course, they're trying to be very careful with British Wolves to make sure that he's going to be okay. He's being helped up right now, and you see Gangrel dislodging that chair